Hi, this is Kara from the Transformational Leadership Institute. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about restoration. If you think about restoration, it is a process. If you think about restoring an old car, you take the old beat up car. It has the broken, ripped seats. It has the dashboard that's all faded. It has the paint job that's just chipped or rust. And little by little, piece after piece, possibly year after year, you take a little bit and you change it out for something new. You are restoring, you are going through that process of restoration. That's the same process that you and I have during our process of restoring ourselves. You take who you are and you gradually change the pieces that need to have a refreshed look. Little by little, day after day, continually working on it. After a while, sometimes it may be an immediate wow, you can see it. Sometimes it's going to take a couple years before you actually get to see all of those pieces put together, and then you can look at where you're at, look back at where you came from and say, wow, I did that. You are an amazing person. You can do whatever you want to do. Anything you want to achieve, you can. All you have to do is take the initiative. Start that restoring process. Little by little, step by step, you can do it. We'll talk to you soon.